This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, possibly, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal market analysis. Rule-based price action trading, daily affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules. Flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And here we are, TGIF, Friday, 10/27. There is a big news catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. And Friday is T+2 October month end. For those not in the know, Google T+2. That's a big deal with the institutional traders and investors. So we're going to go over price action levels, ES price action levels specifically. On the left, you see a 4-hour ES mini chart. I'm going to go over the price levels there and this dollar here on the right side. What I will say about that chart is we reached that top blue line and we retraced a bit of it back. But what we haven't done in the last several candle bars on that 4-hour is gone back to that yellow rectangle with the red line in the middle. So I'm going to watch that Friday. King dollar does rule over a lot. The interest rates, how the markets are going. So let's go to the next chart and look at these ES levels in detail. Okay, for the ES mini S&P 500 futures contract, these are the levels. Last 3 candle bars, Wednesday, Thursday, and here we are, Friday, Globex, not yet in Europe open, but we are Asia Globex. And I want to point out the level here on this red rectangle, and that's a 60-50 on the low, 61 call it, and a 67 on the high. This is a new day open gap. So basically from the close of Thursday to the open of Friday's Globex session, we went right above it, gapped up. So as long as the price of this candle, the body, not the candle wick, because we've got a wick here that is inside of that red rectangle, but we don't have the body. As long as that stays, that's gonna be an important level for Friday to see if the institutionals want to book a profit and manipulate window dressing for Friday month end T+2. Where they need to go is they need to get to this yellow rectangle on Thursday. That's the new day open gap. The wick went into it, but not the candle body for Thursday. So the narrative was the wicks do the damage, but the candle bodies are the narrative, the story. This was an inverted new day open gap that was resistance for Thursday. And if we've got to do anything worth anything on any bullish action for the window dressing, we need to see the body of the Friday candle penetrate and break through the new day open gap from Thursday. 42.11, 42.02 are the levels there on that new day open gap from Thursday. So again, level below new day open gap, 41.67 by 41.60.50, and then 42.11 by 42.02. I'm not trading. I'm totally going to be flat. Friday's off, but I'm going to tape read because this is real important, I believe, on where we end up between Friday and Monday. I don't want to really do much Monday either. My big trade days are going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday next week. But I want to see what we do with these levels. The last level I want to put here is this new week open gap that started Monday on the low of 42.44.50, this purple one up here. And the high for the new week open gap was basically right up here at 42.56.25. 42.56.25 by 42.44.50. That's asking a lot for price on Friday to get back up there. But if they really wanted to do something special, break through the new day open gap of Thursday and get way back to the retracing the price for the week beginning on the new week open gap, that would be something. I don't know. That's asking a lot with world events happening and a Friday, even though this is not a normal Friday. It's T+2 Friday. That kind of wraps the levels. Let's take a look at one other chart here, and we'll wrap this video. Next chart. Okay, I'm following still this air gap between the price, and we're going on basically 6 days currently of air gap between the candle of the ES futures S&P 500 touching this blue line, which is the 9 EMA. So 42.45 right now on the Friday, and we're at currently 41.81, so a good 50, 60 handles below it, and I'm looking to see that we basically Friday, Monday, or Tuesday are going to hit this again, most likely. This is the second largest air gap of a daily candle not hitting this blue line for 2023. So that wraps it. Thanks so much for watching. Please support the channel with your subscription and or your like. We really would appreciate that. Take care. Aloha. Bye.